How to make Snapchat dark mode. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your Snapchat. So click on your profile icon at the top left corner. So go ahead and click on your settings. And if you scroll down and you don't know how to turn on your dark mode, go ahead and click on I need help. And then where it says what can we help you with, click on that and type dark mode. So go ahead and click on how to enable dark mode. Now, as you can see, if you have an Android phone, then dark mode is not available for Android at this time, and the only thing that you can do is share your feedback about dark mode and just go ahead to I have a suggestion. Now, if you have an iOS, then all you have to do is go to your settings, and then under settings you'll see app appearance under my account, and then you can just go to dark mode option, and that is how you can turn the dark mode on. Now, if you have an iOS, then your app appearance should appear in this section right here, and then you can just go to that and enable your dark mode. Now, if you don't, and if you have an Android, what you can do is scroll down to feedback and you will see I have a suggestion. So go ahead and click on settings, and then you can just type here how could we make Snapchat even better, and type you can do this by adding dark mode to Android, and you can attach a screenshot right here. And once you type something and add an attachment, then you'll be able to submit it right here. And go ahead and choose a topic, and once you do all that, you'll be able to submit it right here. So that is how to make Snapchat dark mode.